Are you ready to conquer 2024? Let's dive into your 3-step guide to success. Now's the opportunity to dominate your objectives and relish the taste of triumph. Start with the first step. Set clear goals. Take a moment to really reflect on what you earnestly desire to achieve this year. Perhaps it's climbing the ladder in your career, launching a startup, or enhancing your health. The key is in the specificity. Pen down your aspirations and visualize them so vividly in your mind that they seem nearly tangible. Moving on to the second step, create an action plan. You've got your goals, now it's time to draft a roadmap. Slice your objectives into tinier, more manageable tasks. Assign deadlines to each of these tasks to keep yourself in check. It's crucial to remain focused and disciplined as you navigate each phase, knowing that every action you take is a step closer to your ultimate triumph. The third and final step is to stay motivated and consistent. Bear in mind that accomplishing your goals demands dedication and consistency. Fuel your motivation by frequently reminding yourself of the reason behind these goals. Surround yourself with positivity. It could be in the form of supportive friends or inspiring mentors. Celebrate your minor victories along the journey. This will keep your motivation at peak and maintain your momentum. Remember, success isn't a destination, it's a journey. A journey that demands determination and perseverance. Stay unwavering in your commitment to your goals and don't allow setbacks to dampen your spirits. Every forward step, no matter how minute, is progress. Thank you for spending your time with this video. If you found it beneficial, please remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips and inspiration. Here's a toast to your success in 2024 and the years to follow.